Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can get highly qualified prospects to get in touch with your business using Google My Business. Okay, so if you like these kind of business methodology videos, go ahead and subscribe and like this video down below. So let's talk about Google My Business. Google in general has 3.5 billion searches every single day. So what that means for your business is that somebody's looking for the services that you do locally, but you're just not showing up. And that's the problem. Somebody wants to give you that money, but you're just not showing up. So how do you show up? Google created this platform called Google My Business, and that allows you to create a business within Google that, let's say if you're a dentist in Denver, okay, that is going to allow you as a dentist in Denver to show up for people who are searching best dentist in Denver on Google. And that means you're going to get those highly qualified prospects for free into your business. Okay, they're going to give you a call. You're going to schedule that appointment. They're going to come in. You're going to do the work, and they're going to give you money. Alrighty, so that's the end goal there. And what I love about this is they're highly qualified. They need the work done. They just need somebody to do it. If it's not going to be you, it's going to be somebody else. So let's hop into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how you can sign up for Google My Business. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize Google My Business to show up for a lot more search terms. So again, using the example of the dentist in Denver, I want to show you how you can show up for people who are searching cheap crowns near me, cheap dental implants near me, maybe best dental implant dentist near me. Those kind of search terms you want to be showing up because those are the services that you probably do as a dentist, and you want to get those leads as well. Alrighty, let's hop into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let's go. Okay, once you're inside your computer, go ahead and just type in google.com. Once you're inside of Google, type in Google My Business. Press search. And you're going to see the first result that's going to pop up. Go ahead and press on that. And then you're going to want to press sign in. Okay. This is going to be the page where you're going to be creating your Google My Business listing. And by pressing sign in, that's going to prompt you to enter in your Gmail account credentials. If you don't have a Gmail, go ahead and just press create account. Alrighty. But again, this is going to be the page where you're going to be creating your Google My Business listing. Okay. This page also talks about some of the benefits to Google My Business. If you're interested, go ahead and just scroll around the page and take a look. But for now, I want to show you an actual real life example of what I was talking about earlier with best dentist in Denver. So I'm going to search best dentist in Denver. And that's going to bring me what we call a map pack in search engine optimization. So with the map pack, you're going to see the top 3 results that Google thinks are relevant based on the keywords that we are searching. Okay. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about exactly how you can set up your Google My Business listing and how you can start showing up for a lot of these different keywords right off the bat, even before you have maybe even any reviews. Okay. So as you can see, these top 3 search results get a lot of views because Google thinks they are relevant to the search term that the person searched. So let's use Pearl Dentistry as an example. So Pearl Dentistry did not pay any money for me as a customer who has no idea who the best dentist in Denver is show up on Google. Alrighty. And when Google shows up, when Google shows your Google My Business listing, it gives you the person that's searching an option to go on your website, maybe get some directions. It also shows your business reviews. Okay. And oftentimes it's going to also have like a call button if you're on your phone. Okay, so as you can probably tell, Pearl Dentistry gets a lot of free traffic, and these are very, very highly qualified leads that Pearl Dentistry gets. Okay, so Google My Business is such an incredible free tool that you cannot be not using in 2019 as a local business owner. Again, so in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set the Google My Business up and how you can set it up in a way where you can get a lot of free leads right off the bat. Alright, so you don't want to miss out the next video. Go ahead and press subscribe down below. Also like this video. That's going to help out the channel. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.